Today's house is located in Amritsar, India, on a plot of about 3 acres. The natural surroundings of existing trees are integrated into the design, and the geometry of the building responds to the climate, local light, and cultural context. The horizontality of the Sanctum House is built from juxtaposed planes of brick and exposed concrete. The heavy mass of the brick walls grounds the house to the earth. The suspended concrete slabs lift it toward the sky. This tension between solidity and lightness defines a monumental yet unpretentious character. Cantilevered slabs, sky cutouts, and volumes of varied heights create an architectural choreography between horizons and verticalities. The bridge between interior and sky, a circular void that gives birth to the entire house. Upon entering, we're drawn to the monumental circular courtyard at the center of the home, a generative void that orients the entire architecture, with reflecting pools, planters, and shaded overhangs intertwined in light, shadow, and reflection. From this circular courtyard, spaces radiate outward in bands. Semi-private living areas alternate with more intimate zones, arranged for fluidity and hierarchy. The central interplay between core and periphery becomes the main metaphor, the house as sanctum and the outer world as concentric unfolding. Every gesture, layered panels, framed views, thresholds between indoors and out, is calibrated to modulate light and to conceal or reveal perspectives. Circulation reveals rich transitions, from narrow corridors to expansive rooms, from brick-edged passages to open courtyards. Light elongates shadows on curved surfaces, reflections dance across the water, and tree views emerge within the circular void, evoking the constant relationship between nature and architecture. Inside, the materiality is both refined and tender. Tactile woods, clean-lined furniture, and low-seating contrast with the raw exterior. This fusion of rough and soft textures creates emotion and intimacy. Beyond spatial ingenuity, the sanctum invests in emotion. The pause under a shaded canopy, the echo of footsteps beneath brick arches, the shimmer of water at dusk, these are details that transcend mere form and invite introspection. Perhaps the most radical aspect of this house is its redefinition of luxury, not by excess, but by spatial clarity, material honesty, and emotional resonance. In a context where homes often display ornament or grandeur, here luxury is restrained, monumental without ornament, spiritual without explicit rituals, deeply connected without pastiche. The The Sanctum is not just a modern house with bold geometry, it is a manifesto of sensitive architecture, where form, atmosphere, and narrative intertwine to elevate living into contemplation.